You guys missed this sweatshirt. Hey guys, today's video is going to be my Boxycharm for the month of November. I'm super excited about this box because obviously it's huge, and now Boxycharm is $25 a month instead of $21, but we're guaranteed I think 6 full-size products instead of 5. I think it's still going to be well worth it, and now they're offering foundation and concealer shades, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure exactly how that works, but I did take the quiz on the Boxycharm website. Let's just get into it and see what's in my Boxycharm. This is what the box looks like this month. The theme is stellar, super cute. You guys know I love celestial type things. The first thing in the box is this. This is the Hyperus Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. This retails for $90. I can't like this too much. Antioxidant Dew lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. It says you can use it as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. I'm gonna use it as like a primer today. I've never heard of this brand before, probably because it's $90. Really pretty design on the front. Looks like it comes in a dropper, and this was made exclusively for Boxycharm. It's like kind of that white, milky consistency. It says apply several drops of antioxidant dew to clean skin morning and night. Wait a minute. Is it a cleanser? Oh, I'm so dumb. To clean skin, like my skin already has to be clean. Not to clean skin like the verb. Okay, I'm gonna do like the Instagram thing. Let me pin my hair back. Ooh. There's a smell, but I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't seem like it's scented. I think it just smells like that from the ingredients in it. This is super moisturizing. It feels really soft and creamy on the skin. It really feels like a lotion for your face, not a moisturizer, if that makes sense. Like it's making my face really soft, like a really good lotion does to your body. So I like that. It is $90, so I'm gonna like this much of it, and that's it. So we're off to a really expensive start. By the way, I have no idea what this is right here. I guess it was like a zit or something. I don't know, I just noticed it was kind of dry, and then now it's like an ugly spot. So the next thing in the box is this Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. It comes in this really nice pouch that I guess I'm just gonna throw away. They look like this. I'm not really sure if they're like modeled after something. It says the large powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, and powders or mineral products, and the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. So these are synthetic and cruelty free. These are really, really dense, so I'm gonna use this one for foundation. I think this will be good for cream contouring, but I don't really do that. I don't even own like a cream contour, so I always use a brush to blend out my stick foundation. So that's what I'm gonna use today. Retails for $35. The way that the handle is, I'm like putting my fingers right here. I guess that's designed like that on purpose. So far this seems to be blending everything out really nicely. I don't think it's leaving any streaks. So right now I only have one foundation brush in my collection that I like. That's the Love is the Foundation It Cosmetics brush. That's the one they come out with for breast cancer awareness every year. They actually changed it this year, and it's not the same brush, so I didn't purchase it. But this one is really, really nice. It'd be nice to have like a couple of foundation brushes that I like, you know what I mean? I think that blended this out really, really nicely. The next product in the box is, okay, this one isn't listed on my little card. This is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. One of those blister packs that it gives you 4 different shades. I think I'll probably be using Tiptoe Over Line, light to medium shade. I could try to cream contour with this one. This is not on my list, so I guess they're just like throwing in samples now. I actually usually hate using these just because I want to use the doe foot to really get the full effect of the product, but I'm not sure how I feel about it. I don't feel like I'm seeing like a huge difference from this side to this side at all. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the other side too. Maybe I didn't use enough on the first side. So I think I used more on this side for sure. Okay, yeah, I definitely used more on this side and it looks a lot better. I feel like I just have a lot of darkness. The finish is like a natural finish. It's not matte and it's still tacky. So I'm gonna add just like a hair more on this side and see if I can't cover up some more of that darkness. This is probably not like the perfect shade for me anyway. It's a little darker than I would normally use for highlighting, but okay, well that's this. I think it gives me a very natural under eye, so I don't hate it. I'm gonna try to cream contour with it. So nervous. Oh, I think I went way too far forward. Okay, those are not even at all. Okay, let's start there. And just, oh no. Like really, really blend it out. Oh no, this is way too dark. Okay, hold on. Don't panic, don't panic. Okay, okay, okay. I was panicking. That's not too bad. I definitely brought it way too far forward on this side, but it'll be okay. Try to do more stippling over here. Oh my god, why is it all the way up here? Now it doesn't look bad. Just looks like a cool toned bronzer. I'm not upset about it. I think a sponge would be better. This would work if you had the Anastasia cream contour kit. I think this would work really well. This was just like a really liquidy concealer, so I don't know if I'd recommend it for that, but I actually think it contoured pretty well once I blended it out with a sponge. I'm not mad at it. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly finish up some of my makeup and then we're gonna get to the eyes. Set my face, put on some bronzer, and I'm ready to go into the next product, which is this guy. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. The packaging is so beautiful, like little detail here. Just looks so beautiful, and I love the purples and the blues. And when you open it up, let's see. Oh my gosh, the pans are huge in this. I did not expect these pans to be so big. I've watched reviews and stuff on these, and I've even watched her reveal these, and I guess I just didn't realize these pans are huge. To show you comparison, this is the Urban Decay Born to Run. Wow, and they're like, they have some similar colors in there. This is just the palette I had right here. This is really beautiful. I can't wait to dive into this. This retails for $35. I'm just gonna zoom in, do a quick look so we don't take forever. So this is the look I came up with. I didn't put a brow bone highlight yet, but this is what I've got so far. I'm actually really excited about how it came out, and my favorite shade is the one that's all over the lid. I don't know if you could tell, but it's a duochrome. It goes from pink to orange, so it just ties in the orange transition that we did so well. And then I wanted to do the pop of blue on the bottom, so that is what I did. And I did the sparkly blue also, just to tone it down a little bit, and I'm obsessed with how it turned out. I actually really love this. I've never tried Dominique Cosmetics before, but I cannot get over how big these pans are. But the pigment is crazy. This shade Fireball, it changes. I don't know if you can tell. It's like pink to orange. It's so beautiful. I love this. Next thing in the box are these Lily lashes, faux mink lashes in the style CEO. I'm gonna pop these on. It takes me a minute to do it, so I'll be back momentarily. So these are the Lily lashes on. think they look beautiful. They're really dramatic and like really big, so you know, they're very special occasion-esque. I did trim mine from the inner corner. A lot of lashes, I feel like it doesn't matter which eye you put them on, but these were definitely not the same on either eye. I trimmed the inside of it so I could keep all the volume on the outside. I love these, and I also took a little bit of eyeliner and put it on the inner corner because the band is really thick on these, so I didn't want it to be just like a harsh line where it just stopped. I'm not the best at putting on lashes, but I really like these. They seem really easy to put on, and I think they completed the look really nicely. I don't know if I said, but these retail for $25. Last product in the box, Dose of Colors Matte Liquid Lipstick. Got mine in the shade Flirty. I really like the Dose of Colors formula. I love the packaging. Honestly, I was afraid that this was going to be way too like pinky, but with this look it looks really good. It almost comes off more of like a nude. I think it's more pink in person than it's coming across on camera for sure, but I think it looks really good with this look. This is my completed look. I'm actually low-key obsessed. A lot of times with the Boxycharm videos I'll like the products, but I won't be, you know, obsessed with how the look comes out. But this, I'm like obsessed with this look. The overall value of the box was $203 this month. That is a great value, and obviously this was $90, but I really liked it and I think I'm definitely gonna keep using it. I really liked these brushes, especially the bigger one for foundation. At first I wasn't sure if I would like the shape, but it's really nice to have like a good handle on them. Of course, the star of the show was the Dominique Cosmetics palette. I just love this. It's so beautiful. I don't normally wear hot pink looks and then love the way that they look on me, just personal preference, but I think this looks really, really good. And the lashes are really beautiful as well. They're very, very dramatic, and they have a thick band, so I have a feeling that I'm gonna be able to wear these lashes multiple times. And I did like the lip color, surprisingly enough, so I actually liked every single thing in this box. There was nothing in this box that felt like it was just thrown in there. Sometimes we get some like crappy eyeliners and I'm like, you know, but we didn't get that this time. So this has been definitely one of my favorite boxes. Let me know down below what you got in this month's box. Did you love it as much as I loved my box? That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. It says I've got, I have the blah, blah, blah.